Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to insert cricket bat and ball in MS Word. First you need to click on the insert on the top menu bar and click on the 3D models arrow and again click on the 3D models. And here type cricket bat and hit enter. Click on this bat and ball and click insert. Make sure your computer must be connected with the internet. Click on insert. It will take some time to insert the 3D models. Well, from this point you can increase the width of the bat, and here you can rotate as per your requirement. And from this 3D rotations you can flip it as per your requirement. You can flip it or rotate into any direction. Moreover, if you want to place in between the text, you cannot place until what you have to do is you need to click on this layout option and click on this square option. And now you can easily insert in between the paragraph wherever you want it and give the rotation as per your need. Moreover, if you want to insert outline, then right click on the 3D models and click on the format 3D models. On the right side you will see a basket, that is fill and line basket. Click on that, and here it is no line. Click right now, and now you click on the solid line and you can see that a line is inserted with the bat and ball. So if you want to change the color, click on the solid line and change the color to red, and here you can see that the color of line has been changed. So in this way you can insert bat and ball in MS Word and place anywhere on the page. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.